when I was in Paris all these years, my parents knew quite a few Germans who were not Jewish, who were socialists and who had left too because they hated. By now it was in the 30s, further in the 30s, and they didn't feel at home there either. So one of them ran a children's home for refugees and for divorcees. It was little kids like babies, daycare, but overnight daycare, till bigger. And they were friends of my parents. So I would go out there, and it was outside of Paris and near woods, and there were a lot of those bluebells and wild, oh, what's the name of those very nice flowers that smell so good, lilies of the valley. And because I was so good, I was still small and I wasn't very tall for my age. They let me, it was a privilege, but they didn't worry, let me carry these little babies and feed those little babies and be part of, like if I were an adult caretaker. And that was a big deal for me too. And it was real babies.